Hey, welcome to Yogea. I'm Antonia, and we are in our Asana lab. We're going to do Warrior 2, an asana that we go through in every class. Let's get started. Stand up. The first alignment point is the front heel intersects your back arch. So let's do that. Turning the toes out of your left foot and the right foot, the toes are turned in. So spin the right foot as much as you can in. Now heel toe your feet so that when you bend your left knee, the knee tracks over the ankle. I'll do a little bit more. With your left hand, grab onto your left thigh and roll the thigh open. And then put your hands into your creases of your hips and see if you can level them out. So I feel I can go a little bit longer with my back foot. So I'm going to slide it back to the back of the mat, but keep the toes turned in. And now find that evenness in the hips. Open your arms and gaze forward all over your left fingertips. Try to expand here, bending the front knee, at the same time engaging through the back leg, pressing through the outside edge of the back foot. I can go a little bit more. Soften your front belly, soften the ribs, shoulders down, widen across the collarbone. Take one breath here. And straighten your front knee, heel toe your feet in. That's great. We did Warrior 2. We got tons of asana in our Asana Lab. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Yogea Yoga. Thanks.